Welcome back, gamers. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest debates in the gaming world right now, PS5 Pro versus PS5. With the PS5 Pro making waves in the market, many of you are asking, should I upgrade or stick with the originals? Whether you're already a PS5 owner or planning your first big console purchase, this video will break down everything you need to know to make the best choice. What we'll cover: we'll explore performance differences, graphics capabilities, game compatibility, exclusive features, and even dive into VR enhancements. By the end, you'll have all the facts to decide which console fits your needs. A quick look back: the PS5 legacy. A revolutionary console. Released in late 2020, the PS5 redefined console gaming with its lightning-fast SSDs, stunning 4K graphics, immersive DualSense controller with haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, expanding library of exclusive titles like Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Ratchet and Clank. Rift apart. Why the PS5 was a game-changer. The PS5 wasn't just a performance upgrade from the PS4, it was a complete reimagining of what console gaming could be. But as the gaming world evolved, so did its demands. Enter the PS5 Pro. Introducing the PS5 Pro. What's new about the PS5 Pro? The PS5 Pro builds on the PS5's success with enhanced hardware specs, a more powerful GPU, and higher clock speeds. Improved graphics capabilities, including native 4K gaming and support for 8K upscaling. A redesigned cooling system for quieter operation and better heat management. Optimized virtual reality features to take full advantage of the latest PSVR2 technology. Release buzz. The PS5 Pro launched with a lot of hype, promising an upgraded gaming experience for hardcore gamers and VR enthusiasts. But does it deliver? Let's find out. Round 1. Performance Showdown. PS5 Performance. The original PS5 is no slouch. It offers a powerful custom AMD GPU, 16 GB of GDDR6 RAM, lightning-fast load times thanks to its custom SSD. PS5 Pro performance upgrades. The PS5 Pro takes it a step further with a 2x more powerful GPU for smoother frame rates and better ray tracing, improved RAM bandwidth for multitasking and running more complex games, enhanced AI-driven upscaling for near-native 8K visuals. Real-world test results. When we tested games like Horizon Forbidden West and Demon's Souls, the PS5 Pro delivered noticeably better textures, lighting effects, and frame stability at higher resolutions. Winner. If you're a performance enthusiast, the PS5 Pro is the clear winner here. Round 2. Graphics and visual fidelity. PS5. The original PS5 set a high bar with its ability to handle 4K gaming at up to 120 frames per second. However, some games required compromises in resolution or frame rates. PS5 Pro. The PS5 Pro delivers native 4K at 60 frames per second for most modern games. Support for 8K upscaling, though limited content currently takes advantage of this. Improved ray tracing, making reflections, shadows, and lighting effects more realistic. Side-by-side comparison. When comparing games like Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2, the difference is clear. On the PS5, reflections and textures are impressive. On the PS5 Pro, they're breathtakingly realistic, with greater depth and detail. Winner. For visuals, PS5 Pro takes the crown. Round 3. Game compatibility. The PS5's strengths. The PS5 supports almost all PS4 games and boasts an ever-growing list of exclusives. PS5 Pro compatibility. While the PS5 Pro supports the same library, early adopters reported some hiccups with older titles. Developers are already releasing patches to optimize games for the Pro, but it's worth noting that these issues exist. Winner. If backward compatibility is your priority, the PS5 holds an edge for now. Round 4. Exclusive features. PS5. The DualSense controller introduced revolutionary features like haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. PS5 Pro. The Pro doubles down with a more refined DualSense Pro controller, featuring improved ergonomics and additional customization options. VR-specific optimizations to enhance the PS VR2 experience. Winner. For cutting-edge features, PS5 Pro is the way to go. Round 5. Virtual reality VR gaming. PS5 VR experience. The PS5 delivered impressive VR support, but it wasn't designed with VR as a core focus. PS5 Pro VR Revolution. The PS5 Pro offers higher resolution for VR gaming, reduced latency for smoother gameplay, better integration with PSVR 2. Winner. If VR is your thing, the PS5 Pro is a no-brainer. Round 6. Pricing and value. PS5. Starting at $499, it's a great value for most gamers. PS5 Pro. With a price tag of $699, it's a significant investment. Key question. Is the performance and feature boost worth the extra $200? It depends on your gaming needs. Round 7. Who should buy what? PS5 Pro is ideal for hardcore gamers who want the best performance, VR enthusiasts, those with 4K or 8K TVs who want to maximize visual quality. PS5 is perfect for casual gamers who don't need cutting-edge tech, budget-conscious buyers, gamers happy with 1080p or 4K at standard settings. Final verdict: PS5 Pro versus PS5. The winner. If budget isn't an issue and you want the absolute best gaming experience, the PS5 Pro is worth the upgrade. If you're satisfied with the original PS5's capabilities, there's no need to rush. Your console is still a powerhouse. What do you think? Are you Team PS5 or PS5 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gaming deep dives.